Hey, welcome back to your favorite channel, Short Guides, and in this video I will show you how to delete comments on Instagram. So let's say you have made some posts on Instagram and someone leave you really bad comments under your post and you don't want to see other people this comment. I will show you how to delete it. Just open Instagram application, and if you cannot see your post on the main screen, then just go to your profile settings. Here you are in your profile on the Instagram short guides, and as you can see I have here one post. So open the post and hit that comment section under the post. Just hit that, and here you can see your commented here you can see all the comments. I have only one comment because it is from my second account, and I want to show you how to deal with this one. So just go to the three dots on the top right, and here you can see this comment control section. Just push the manage comments. Just mark the comment you would like to delete. So I have only this one, and slightly push it down, and here you can see on the left down there is possibility to delete comment or restrict it or block it. So that's it. This is how you can delete a comment on Instagram post. So yeah, just push that, delete comment. That's all from my side. If you liked this video, just leave a like and subscribe for more upcoming videos. Thanks, bye.